How to create new project on CapCut. Are guys facing issues to create new project on CapCut application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download CapCut on mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, now look at the left bottom of your screen where you can see this edit icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see the option for new project. Tap on it. Now click on allow. Select the project that you want to edit on. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna create new project in CapCut. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.